Just leave it there, I think it'll be fine. I will work it out. Hello. The fridge has arrived. The only problem is it's right there. I need to bring it inside. I don't think it'll come inside with all this casing around, so I have to do something about that. That was a lot of work. Now I need to actually go to work, but I smell so bad already, and I should probably put a deodorant on. Oh dear. Oh good, now I can go. Oh, it's just this garbage over here I need to get rid of. Ay, ay. Ay, ay. Okay. Oi?
Oi?
Yay! Bye.
Thanks,
See
Carlos.
ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Go edit your vlog.
You might be confused what I'm doing. I'm doing some location scouting at the park, but this doesn't have what I need. It's for a video that I'm making tomorrow. It all makes sense eventually. Have to find another park. Second park and no luck. It's dark and I have a very bright light on my face. I just need to make sure I don't trip on anything. The risk is real. I took a quick break from scouting because the supermarket is gonna close in 30 minutes, like 11:30 right now, and I needed water for the video tomorrow, and we need milk at home. Important things. Now I think I'm gonna try one more park. I do have a plan B though. I do have not ideal, but it's still pretty good. I ended up not going to any park because I checked on Google Maps and the pictures didn't look like they had what I needed, so I didn't think it was worth driving 15 minutes at midnight. Anyway, it will all make sense tomorrow when I make that video. By the way, I'm probably gonna post that video a bit earlier than usual. I hope it's gonna be a good one. I think it's gonna be a good one. Anyway, that's enough for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. My favorite comment from my thoughts on expensive clothes and shoes is from Loki when he says, "Please buy an Adidas Camo jacket and a pair of Adidas Camo pants." I don't think the pants are necessary, but the jacket, I think you might be onto something.